Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2009 Mercedes Benz E Class. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching at the bottom here. Over to the audio system, click telephone. You've got name there. We turn the rotary selector to telephone, click telephone. Then you've got Bluetooth telephones, the top one. Select that by clicking the rotary selector again, and then there's no phones connected to here, so we want update. Click update. That's already highlighted at the top. Searching for a maximum of 15 Bluetooth devices, which is pretty good because some of them only have 5. And it's brought my phone up there underneath update. So we turn the rotary selector, highlight my phone, click on it, and then it's asking me to put a code in. For ease of use, I'll just put 000 in, 4 noughts, and then we turn the rotary selector over to OK and press it. Click that you've entered 4 zeros. Enter the 4 zeros on your phone. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected, and it's showing connected on there. That's how you do it.